Hey, what's up? It's Gene Clark on behalf of DDWK Travel, bringing you another Tip Tuesday travel tip of the week. And this week we are going to be talking about hotel soap. Have you ever walked into a hotel room, gone to wash your hands, and what do they have? They have this square, hard thing, and you're just unwrapping it, and you're trying to make it foam, and it doesn't work, and they're terrible. And what have we all gotten used to? We've all gotten used to some kind of pump soap, whether it's liquid or foaming. We've gotten used to it. If you travel with kids, goodness gracious, they already aren't great at washing their hands, but especially not with a bar of soap. Ladies and gentlemen, buy a foaming or liquid soap and take it with you. Save yourself some headache. Now, I understand if you're flying somewhere, that can be a little bit more difficult, especially if you're packing it in your bag. But hey, see if there is some kind of delivery service that can deliver to the hotel room, because I can tell you, it's $1, maybe $1.25. Usually it's $1. You can get a great thing of soap. You can make your life easier. You have less to worry about. With everything that's going on right now with COVID, it is more important than ever to make sure you are doing a great job washing your hands. And again, let's be honest, those little square bars of soap are hard as a rock, don't foam that well, and you don't actually know if they're working or not. Ladies and gentlemen, spend the $1. Get the liquid soap. Get the foaming soap. Take it with you and wash your hands. Be safe. That's your travel tip this Tuesday for this week. And hey, as always, you're welcome.